Hello everyone, my name is Isha Samrat Kamble. I am a second year BTech Computer Engineering student. Currently I am studying in Bapurao Deshmukh College of Engineering, Sevagram. My branch is Computer Engineering, Section B, roll number 13, and my topic is Ackermann function. History of Ackermann function. In the late 1920s, the mathematician Gabriel Sudan and Wilhelm Ackermann, student of David Hilbert, were studying the foundations of computation. Both Sudan and Ackermann are credited with discovering total computable function, term simply recursive in some references that are not primitive recursive. Sudan published the lesser known Sudan function, then shortly afterwards and independently in 1928, Ackermann published his function qubit. Ackermann's three-argument function qubit under bracket m and p bracket close is defined such that for p is equals to 0, 1, 2, it reproduces the basic operation of addition, multiplication and exponentiation. As we know that Ackermann's function was defined in 1920s by German mathematician and logician Wilhelm Ackermann in 1896 to 1962. Condition of Ackermann function. It is a function with two arguments, each of which can be assigned any non-negative integer. Ackermann functions are two arguments, a of m and n, and three conditions. First condition is if m is equals to 0, then a of mn is equals to n plus 1. Second condition is if m is not equal to 0 but n is equals to 0, so a of mn is equals to a of m minus 1 and 1. And last third condition is if m and n both are not equal to 0 and a of mn is equals to a of m minus 1 and a of mn minus 1. Example is given below this function a of 1 2 by solving step by step with the help of three conditions, and final answer is 4. This is the second example of Ackermann function a of 2 2. Table of values in Ackermann function. Computing the Ackermann function can be restated in terms of an infinite table. We place the natural numbers along the top row to determine a number in the table. Take the number immediately to the left, then look up the required number in the previous row. At the position given by the number just taken, if there is no number to its left, simply look at the column headed first in the previous. Now here is a small upper left portion of the table. The number listed here in a recursive reference are very large and cannot be easily notated in the some other form. Despite the large values occurring in this early section of the table, some even larger number has been defined, such as Graham's numbers, which cannot be written any small number of Knuth arrows. This number is constructed with the technique similar to applying the Ackermann function to itself recursively. This is repeat of the above table but with the values replaced by the relevant expression from the function definition to show the pattern clearly. Ackermann's function, it is a well-defined total function, computable but not primitive recursive, grows faster than any primitive recursive function. It is new recursive. Thanks for watching this video.